Hello, little friends. Today, we're going on a super fun adventure. Have you ever seen a fluffy white cloud? They are like big, soft cotton candy in the sky. Let's meet a little raindrop named Rena. Rena lived in a big, bubbly cloud. She loved to play with her cloud friends. One sunny day, the cloud got too full of water. Whoosh! Rena and her friends started to fall. Down, down, down they went. "Whee!" shouted Rena. She saw colorful flowers and green trees. Plip, Rena landed on a big red rose. She tickled the rose and the rose giggled. Then the sun came out. "Phew, it's warm," said Rena. She felt herself getting smaller. Poof! Rena turned into a tiny bit of water again. The sun helped her go back up to the sky to play with her friends again. Isn't that a fun trip? Rena helped the flowers and trees, and then she got to go back up to the clouds. Just like Rena, it's always nice to help others. And guess what? Even when we are gone, we can always come back just like the rain.